Hi, my name is Adam Ware and I'm the ePortfolio Coordinator for Career Connect. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the ways in which you can get support for your ePortfolio as you're working on it.
There are several ways you can get help while you're working on your portfolio within Foliotek. You can click on the Chat with Support Rep button at the top, which will connect you with a support representative from Foliotek. You can view the help tutorial by clicking on the question mark at the top. Full help will take you to their website and knowledge base where you can look up any problem you're having in particular. And the tutorial will walk you through basic parts of the system. Talk about how to edit, how to format text, and how to use each individual part of the system. In addition, you can also contact Foliotek through the phone number located here, or the contact form, or the email support@foliotek.com. There's also a way to watch videos through the UNT Career Connect YouTube channel. And if you have questions that are not answered by any of these, you can always contact our office.